Hello everyone, this is my third lecture video on MGF. In my second lecture video, I have shown how to find MGF of normal distribution and I have solved two problems on MGF. So in this video, I'll solve few more problems on moment generating function. Suppose random variable x has a PDF, f of x equal to half into e power minus mod x. For minus infinity to infinity, obtain MGF of x and also find expectation of x and variance of x using MGF. Since this is a case of continuous random variable, mx of t is integration of e power tx into f of x dx, that is half of e power minus mod x dx. Further, mod x is minus x in minus infinity to 0 and it takes the value plus x in 0 to infinity. Therefore, we need to split this integral into two parts. In the interval minus infinity to 0, mod x is minus x, so we get e power tx, e power plus x divided by 2, plus in the interval 0 to infinity, mod x is plus x, so it will become e power minus x. So e power t plus 1 of x dx divided by 2 plus e power t minus 1 of x dx divided by 2. So half we will keep outside since it is a constant. So integration of e power t plus 1 with respect to x is e power t plus 1 of x divided by t plus 1. So integration of I'll write it as e power minus of 1 minus tx. Integration of e power minus of 1 minus tx will be minus e power 1 minus t x divided by 1 minus t. So on applying the limit, we get 1 upon 1 plus t, because on applying the upper limit in place of x, e power minus infinity we get, that will be 0. So 1 upon 1 plus t, and here e power minus infinity is 0 on applying the upper limit. So minus of minus e power 0 will be 1. So it is plus 1 upon 1 minus t. Taking the LCM and simplifying, we get 1 upon 1 minus t square. So next we will find expectation and variance. To find expectation, we have to find out mx dash of t. We'll differentiate mx of t with respect to t. Using quotient rule, we get 2t upon 1 minus t whole square. Then putting t equal to 0, we get 0. So this is our expectation of the given random variable. Further, we'll differentiate mx dash of t with respect to t again. So we get 1 minus t square whole power 4. Denominator into differentiation of the numerator minus numerator into differentiation of the denominator. Then put t equal to 0. So we get 2. That is expectation of x square. So variance of x is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. So 2 minus 0 square, that is 2. Next question is, find moment generating function of the random variable which is uniformly distributed over the interval minus a to a. Evaluate expectation of x power to n. So we know that if a random variable is uniformly distributed over the interval a to b, the probability function of the random variable is 1 upon b minus a for all x belongs to open interval ab. So the probability distribution of this random variable is 1 upon 2a, where x lies in the interval minus a to plus a and 0 elsewhere. Uniform distribution is also continuous normal distribution. Therefore, the moment generating function is integration of e power tx into f of x, and f of x is 1 upon 2a dx from minus infinity to infinity. So the function is 1 upon 2a in the interval minus a to a, and for all values of x it is 0. So we get integration of e power tx into 1 upon 2a dx, where x takes the value from minus a to a. 1 upon 2a is a constant. Integration of e power tx is e power tx divided by t. The limit is minus a to a. On applying the limit, we get e power at minus e power minus at upon 2a t. Then we will use a series expansion of e power at and e power minus at. Series expansion of e power at is 1 plus at plus a square t square by 2 factorial, so on. And e power minus at expansion is 1 minus at plus a square t square by 2 factorial minus a cube t cube by 3 factorial, so on. So here 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, a square t square by 2 factorial minus a square t square by 2 factorial gets cancelled. So we get 1 upon 280 into 280 plus 80, 280 plus a cube t cube, 2a cube t cube by 3 factorial, a cube t cube by 3 factorial, and here minus of minus a cube t cube by 3 factorial will be 2 times of a cube t cube by 3 factorial, and so on. So further, on simplifying this, we get 280 by 280 is 1. So 2a cube t cube by 3 factorial divided by 280 is a square t square by 3 factorial plus so on, a power 2n t power 2n divided by 2n plus 1 factorial. This is a mx moment generating function of the given random variable. Further, we have to find out the value of, we have to find expectation of x power 2n. So expectation of x power 2n is coefficient of t power 2n divided by 2n plus 1 factorial in the expansion of mx of t by the property of the moment generating function. So in mx of t, the coefficient of t power 2n upon 2n plus 1 factorial is a power 2n divided by 2n plus 1. Sorry, expectation of x power 2n is the coefficient of t power 2n by 2n factorial in the moment generating function by the property of moment generating function. So here the coefficient of t power 2n upon 2n factorial is a power 2n upon 2n plus 1. So this is expectation of x power 2n. So next problem is, for the normal distribution with a mean mu and variance sigma square, show that expectation of x minus mu power 2n equals to 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 sigma square. So we know that when y equals to ax plus b, moment generating function max plus b of t is e power bt into mx of at. So I have proved this in my first video lecture. So in mx minus mu of t, if you compare this with this, here a is 1 and b is minus mu, so it will be e to the power of minus mu t mx of t. So the given distribution is a normal distribution. This mx of t is a moment genetic function of the normal distribution, and moment genetic function of the normal distribution is e to the power of mu t plus sigma square t square by 2. Then e power minus mu t into e power mu t is 1. So we get e power sigma square t square by 2. So that is m x minus mu of t is e power sigma square t square by 2. We also know that expectation of x power n is coefficient of t power n upon n factorial in the expansion of mx of t. So hence expectation of x minus mu power 2n would be coefficient of t power 2n by 2n factorial in the expansion of a moment generating function of mx minus mu of t. If you expand e power sigma square t square by 2, we get 1 plus sigma square t square by 2 upon 1 factorial plus sigma square t square by 2 whole square upon 2 factorial, so on, sigma square t square whole to the power of n upon n factorial. So here if you see this term sigma square t square upon n factorial whole to the power of n, we get sigma power 2n t power 2n by n factorial. So we have this t power 2n term, but we don't have 2n factorial in the denominator. So to get this term, we'll multiply by 2n factorial and divide it by 2n factorial. Now the coefficient of t power 2n upon 2n factorial is sigma power 2n into 2n factorial divided by n factorial. Hence expectation of x minus mu power 2n is sigma power 2n upon n factorial into 2n factorial. So now sigma power 2n factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 so on up to 2n divided by n factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 up to n. So this can be written as 1 into 3 into 5 up to 2n minus 1 into 2 into 4 into 6 up to 2n divided by 1, 2, 3 up to n. So further, so all these terms are multiples of 2, so we can take 2 outside from each of the term. So 2 power n will come out, so we get, after taking 2 power n outside, we get 1, 2 up to n divided by 1, 2 up to n. So these two terms get cancelled and we get the required term, that is we have here divided by 2, so we get 2 power n in the denominator. So 2 power n further gets cancelled and we get the required term, that is sigma power 2n into 1 into 3 into 5 so on up to 2n minus 1. The next problem is, suppose x has the following PDF: f of x equal to lambda into e power minus lambda of x minus a for x greater than or equal to a. Find MGF of x, and using MGF find expectation of x and variance of x. I have already solved. I'll just explain this. Since this is a continuous x is a continuous random variable, moment generating function is integration of e power tx into f of x, taking all constant outside, we get like this. Then since the base is the same, we are adding the powers. Then we are integrating this with respect to x. Then applying the limit, we get moment generating function as lambda e power a divided by lambda minus t for lambda greater than t. Then to find expectation, we need to differentiate mx of t with respect to t. Using quotient rule, we get like this. Then put t equal to 0 on both the side, we get mx dash of 0, that is expectation of x as a lambda plus 1 divided by lambda. Further differentiating equation 1 with respect to t, we get mx double dash of t. Then putting t equal to 0 on both the side of equation 2, we get mx double dash of 0 as a lambda square a square plus 2a lambda plus 2 divided by lambda square, which is expectation of x square. Hence the variance of x is e of x square minus e of x whole square, that is 1 upon lambda square. So this completed the whole moment generating function.